Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back in another MongoDB tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to read about find function and just like a query for searching an element in MongoDB by using a find function. So as you know that my MongoDB is open here, so use my DB and we have a show collection. We have a student as a collection. So if I want to check how many records or what kind of data is or documents or how many documents are inserted in a student, so db dot student dot find, a simple command we have find. By using this find function, as we have seen in the last tutorial, also previous tutorial, I have inserted these record, 6 record there, but I have not inserted these object ID. Have you seen here? I have inserted only roll number, name, ages and class. Only these I have inserted: class, age, name and roll number. But I did not inserted object ID. But each and every record here, each and every document having an object ID. Actually, this MongoDB is based on NoSQL, and MySQL and Oracle are based on SQL. In SQL, we having a primary key and foreign key concept, but here we do not have any primary key concept. But while searching a document, we need a uniqueness. So providing this field as a unique field, automatically MongoDB insert this object ID. This object ID is a unique one. Each and every document in a collection having a unique object ID. Automatically, this object ID insert by MongoDB, or you can insert your own also in customization way. But we do not do mostly we do not use this concept. Automatically, we have allow MongoDB to insert this object ID. So the field name is underscore ID. Remember, underscore ID is always reserved as a field in MongoDB for object ID. So as we have seen, each and every record having an object ID here. So we have display record. One more thing, one more way to display record in a pretty format is this function pretty. So it will display you in a proper object way. In a pretty means you can say in a fashionable way or in a proper way. So like this, if you use pretty function, it will display like this. Okay. And if suppose you want to search the item or the record here, those name is Vipin. So here we can search inside a find command. We give the object here, and within an object we give the condition surname equal to Vipin. Okay, same object key and value pair. So press enter. So in this collection, suppose we having a two record of Vipin. Okay, here Vipin and Vipin. So it's displaying here condition name equal to Vipin. So by using find function here, we are giving a condition that name where whatever the name is equal to Vipin. Okay, so search the document in this collection student where name is equivalent to Vipin. Okay, so we have two records only. If we give another name, suppose we give XYZ, so it does not return any record because we do not have any record or documents available in a student. Okay, or if I say Sachin, so Sachin only one document is available, so it's showing one. In more way you can also search element. For example, if we say age, because age we are is a numerical way to search out, so we have to put another object here and we have to give the some symbols like dollar greater than. Okay, if I want to search the age, those are greater than 25. Clear? So there is a syntax. This is a syntax here. So object means curly brackets for object one, then age, then colon, and within this colon another object, and then dollar symbol greater than GT is greater than colon 25, and press enter. So it will display the age, those are more than 25. Have you seen greater than 25? So 25 age is not here, or less than 25 means 20 or 25 is not here. We have three records only, 32 and 34 for here. We may change also like this, greater than and equal to. So GTE. So here the 25 is also available. In the previous output we have seen that there is no 25 available here, but here we have 25 also, because what we are doing, we are saying it greater than and equal to 25. And if we say less than 25, so we can put here less than or equal to 25. So we have two record, 20 and 25. Or if we say less than 25, so remove the e here and put there. So we have less than 25, we have only 20. Okay. Similarly, if we say not equal to, so we put ne, simple, not equal to 25. So all record those age is not equal to 25 means there are 5 records, those age is not equal to 25. Okay, done. Here also we do not have a age, but it consider this age is also not equal to 25. Clear? Done. So this is the working of find method. Here you can learn how to use find method. Let's go for new also in a further